What's going on, YouTube? Tuned Up Ty, back at it with another fucking video. And today we got another performance modification we doing to the car. Right now we got some new exciting parts that we got from CTS Turbo and Vrsf. Right now we got our CTS. Oh, that's my fault, y'all. We got our CTS Chargepipe, and this is the bottom half of the Chargepipe as well as the connector. And in this box we have our Vrsf Chargepipe. And right now we got our friend DJ with us. He's helping us put on the parts for the car right now. He's a real nigga right now. But what you want to do basically is obviously you want to have your car jacked up. For me, I ain't use any jack stands. I just got my Rhino ramps. It was a little difficult putting it on the car since we got the front lip and it's a little bit lower, but it was still manageable. But once you start off, you want to take off your engine cover, and then you're gonna have two plugs on your charge pipe that you want to remove. These two pipes in your charge pipe are gonna be the one down there. I don't know if you can see, it's the round black cable that's plugged in. Kind of took it off, but it's whatever, gonna put it on a new one anyway. And then you have this connector that's right here, the one with the two screws. You want to remove that as well. And then from the bottom you want to make sure that you remove your panels from underneath. I believe there's probably a million screws that we haven't gotten to yet, but once you remove that bottom panel, that should allow you to drop down the charge pipe for easy access. All right guys, now once you got that whole bottom panel removed, you want to remove these clips that you got on your intercooler. You can use a flathead as we're doing, or if you have another tool you can use that as well, but in this case you just want to use a flathead. And it should slide up with enough wiggling. All right guys, so we just removed those two screws from the plug, the connector. It was on that right there. And now that we removed those screws, we're able to pull the charge pipe from underneath, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so we got the charge pipe, it's the OEM shit off, and as you can see, it's very restrictive. It has a lot of angles of where the airflow can fucking get too turbulent. We're gonna be replacing it with this one that's nice and smooth, less bends for the air to go through. And then you want to save these as well. This is going to be your clamp that holds onto the charge pipe. Right now we're just screwing in the, I believe, the air mass sensor into the charge pipe. For you guys could probably put it up or pull it down, the charge pipe, the OEM one. For us, we just pulled it up. It seemed to be easier that way. But right now we're gonna screw these in and then try and push it back down to get it back into the slot that it was in. Be right back, y'all. Alrighty guys, so we couldn't really get video of this because it was hard to with both our hands on it, but as you can see, we got our CTS charge pipe. Let me see if I can get that better on camera for you. Sealed in. As you can see, it's completely sealed in. The tap is plugged in, so is the air mass down there. As for the intercooler, that was a pain in the ass, I'm not gonna lie. That and getting the bottom part of the charge pipe. But as you can see, this is the Vrsf intercooler. The main big problem was getting these tabs to fit this one and that one down there. But we have to push the radiator fan backwards and also lift the rubber garment back and then snuck it in. As you can see, we added the clamps back in on this side and as well on this side right here. And then getting down here, this is the bottom half of the charge pipe. This was the biggest pain too, connecting it into the intercooler as well as getting it snugged on right there. And as you can see, it's fully on. Let me see. That's the upper half of the charge pipe, but it's fully on, y'all. And that's it for the installation. Will I do this shit again? No, I will not. I would highly recommend paying someone to go do this, guys, because this is very time consuming and very painful. Just trying to get this done on Rhino ramps. But right now we're gonna try and start the car up and make sure everything's running smoothly and no coals are being thrown. And yeah, but until next time, guys, this is Tuned Up Ty, back at it again with another video. Peace.